Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Python Brains. So students, as you already know, we already covered our string topic in some previous sessions. In last few sessions, we covered some program related to a string. In today's session, we have one output based question. Okay, so in exams also and in practice time also, you can practice this type of question. Like you have one question related to the string, and according to our string concept, we apply that concept on this and then produce the output for a particular input. Okay, so our today's question is this, student. So this is a set of code and this is the set of input we have. So according to this input, what output is there? We check in this program. So let's start with this. So students, step by step, whenever we solve output based questions, students, there is a key month. There is a key month. What is that basically? That always execute our code line by line. We dry run our code. What is the meaning of dry run? You can take one rough notebook. Okay, on that step by step, you solve that question. According to the variables, you put the value and then you get the output in a perfect way. Okay, students. So this is a simple program. Now let's start this. Now, what is the first input for all of us, students? So my first input is str1 is equal to 1bzz. Okay, this is my first input, students. So according to that, now my first line is input the string. So I just input my string. Now, first, second line we have while len of str1 is less than equal to 4. Check it. What is the length of my string? The length of my string is 4. My condition is true. Okay? Because my condition is less than equal to. So yes, equal to condition is true. Now check the next condition. So if str1 minus 1, so minus 1 is this. Okay, if we check the position of the string, so this is basically 0, 1, 2 and 3. And if we check from the back side, students, so that is minus 1. Okay, minus 1 is there, then minus 2 is there, then minus 3 is there, and then minus 4 is there. Okay, we can just categorize the things accordingly, right? So this is the position of my every character. Okay, students. So my first is str1 minus 1 equal to z. Now check according to the condition. Yes, this condition is true. So the next statement is str1 equal to. Now see str1 0 colon 3. 0 colon 3 means the entire string, but we know that the last value, the end value never included. So 0, 1 and 2. 0, 1 and 2. That means 1, B and Z. Okay. So this part we needed. So I write 1, B and Z. This is the thing. Then after that, concatenate this with C. Okay, no problem in that case. We write this and then plus and then we concatenate this with C. Now my final string is a student 1, B, Z and C here. Okay, in the first iteration. Now when this if is executed, rest of the program not executed. In a simple way, we know that. Again, we move to the while loop, say for the second iteration. Again, we check. Now my string is this, okay? Now str1 is this. So now we again check the length of my string. So again my condition is true because it is less than equal to 4, okay? Now again we check the first condition. That means the -1 part. So -1 is what? In this -1 position is C here. But here in the if part, we have Z. So that condition is false. We move to the elif condition. In elif condition, what it said? A in str. No, A is not in str. That is also not true. In the third condition, what it said? Integer str1 0 means the position of the 0. Okay? The position. The string 0 position. Okay? So 0 position is this 1. Yes, it is int, but it said not int. So that condition is also false. We move to the else part. And in else part, what it said? Whatever your str1 is, whatever. My str1 is 1, B, Z, C. We add in this what? Asterisk sign. Okay. So now my new string is what? 1B, Z, C, S string. Okay. That is completed. Now we move again to the while loop. Now while loop, what while loop said? Len str1 is less than equal to 4. But now what is the length of my string? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This condition is false. At last it prints my string. So this is the simple way how you can solve your output based question. If any output based question is there, students, so you can solve that step by step. This is a very simple way. Okay, students. So this is the first input that we try. My second input is str1 equal to ABCD. Okay, let's start. First we input a string, okay? Then while length of str1 is less than equal to 4. Yes, condition is true, okay? We check the first position, str1 -1. -1 is D in this, but Z is not there, so the condition is false. Now we move to the elif part and it says A in str1. So A is there. In is a membership operator here. Okay. So A in str1. Yes, A in str1. So what is happening after this? Okay. First, now this condition is true. So str1 is equal to str1 0 only. That means A plus BB. Okay. Now this is my final string. After this, again we move to the while loop. Now we say again my this condition, the length of my string is less than equal to 4. Yes. So again we check the if part, the -1 position. -1 position is B. So that condition is not true. Again we move to the elif. Elif is what? Again it check A in str. Yes, A in str. So now again what my str is? Whatever my str1 0 is A, then again it executed. Again it adds BB. Now again my part is ABB. Again I executed this program, then the same thing. So what do you observe? This iteration and this condition is an endless loop. Endless loop means that never ends. Okay. So in that part, what happened? Suppose that is this type of question is there in your exam or in your any worksheet. So you can simply write this is a endless loop. Okay. So let's check the output of these question on ideally also students. Okay. So now I run this program. Okay. Now we can see students. My first input is 1BZZ. Okay. So you can see my output is 1BZC string. That is true. Again, I run this program, students, for you. Now my output is A, B, C, D. Okay. Now you check. Nothing is there. If I press enter, it is in the endless loop. Now the question is that students, that ma'am, how we can exit from the endless loop? So simply you can press Control C. Okay. So students, simple output based question for all of you. I hope this concept or this program is clear to you. If you have any doubt, students, you can write it in the comment section, students, or you can mail us on our mail ID. Okay. Here we provide our mail ID for all of you. If you like my video, do press the like button, share your views in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Your one subscribe is very important for us. Press the bell icon to get the updates of my upcoming videos. Till then, keep watching, keep studying.